Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using a cosine trigonometry model. As per the problem, consider the function y equals 3 cos pi times x plus 2 minus 1. What is the amplitude, period, phase shift, and vertical translation? Sketch a graph of the function. The given function is a transformed cosine function. The first step is to write the general equation for a transformed cosine function. The equation is different teachers use different letters for A, K, D, and C, but the rules and the transformations are the same. Now we can compare this general equation with the given equation to find the value of A, K, D, and C. A is equal to 3, K is equal to pi, D is equal to negative 2 because there is a negative sign in the general equation, and in the given equation it's plus 2, so we flip the sign in the equation. So that's why the D value is negative 2. C is equal to negative 1. Now we can find the amplitude. Amplitude is equal to absolute value of A. In the given equation, A value is positive, so amplitude is equal to 3. For period, we can use the formula. K is equal to pi. We can cancel out the pi's. So period is equal to 2 units. Next, we can calculate the phase shift. Phase shift is obtained from the D value. The D value is negative 2. That means the phase shift is 2 units to the left. Next is vertical translation. Vertical translation is obtained from the C value. C is equal to negative 1. So vertical translation is 1 unit down. Now we can sketch a graph for the function. We can use the mapping rule or mapping formula to find the points that lie on the given transform function. Let's start by writing the mapping rule or formula. We can sub in the values of A, K, D, and C. This is the mapping rule or mapping formula for the given transformed cosine function. Next, we should prepare a table of values for the parent function. The parent function is y equals cos x. The period of cos x is 2 pi, so we can use the key points for the cosine graph in the cycle from 0 to 2 pi. The key points are 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Now we can find the corresponding y values. For x equals 0, cos x is equal to 1. For x equals pi over 2, cos x is equal to 0. For x equals pi, cos x is equal to negative 1. For x equals 3 pi over 2, cos x is equal to 0. For x equals 2 pi, cos x is equal to 1. Now we can prepare a table of values for the transformed cosine function. We use the x and y values from the table of values of the parent function. The first point is 0, 1. We should sub in x as 0. 0 over pi minus 2 is equal to negative 2. Next we can sub in y as 1. 3 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. The next x value is pi over 2. Pi over 2 over pi is equal to 1 over 2. One over 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 3 over 2. The denominator of 2 is 1. The common denominator is 2. That's how we get negative 3 over 2. Next we sub in y as 0. 3 times 0 minus 1 is equal to negative 1. The next x value is pi. Pi over pi is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. The y value is negative 1. 3 times negative 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 4. The next x value is 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 over pi is equal to 3 over 2. Three over 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 1 over 2. The common denominator is 2. So that's how we get negative 1 over 2. The y value is 0. 3 times 0 minus 1 is equal to negative 1. The next x value is 2 pi. 2 pi over pi is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. The y value is 1. 3 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. So these are the points that lie on the given transformed cosine function. We can plot these points to graph the function. Now we can plot the points. The first point is negative 2, 2. The second point is negative 3 over 2, negative 1. The next point is negative 1, negative 4. The next point is negative half, negative 1. The last point is 0, 2. Now we can join these points in the form of a wave. So this is the sketch of one full cycle for the transformed cosine function. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.